You know what's better than having your own website? Having your own trademark. What does that even mean? When you actually get a name trademark, you own it. You're operating on social media. That can go away. Being on social media, that is it's being on borrowed time, it's being on renter space. Though everybody is on social media, that's where the audience is at. You're still on borrowed space. You're on somebody else's platform. However, if you operate with the name that you own, having a trademark is abstract in nature in itself. It's not really tangible, but in a way, it's tangible in the sense that you can actually have ownership of it. Now, with the websites being a technological thing, things can happen to your website. The websites can get hacked, malware could affect it, you could lose it. What if your hosting company decides to shut it down for any reason? And unless you're running your own hosting company, your own service, and then you really own your website, but then you kind of don't. But if you focus on actually owning a trademark, you can actually use that in any kind of way, any way possible at your disposal. Now, our dljworks, that is a registered trademark. I got that trademark back in 2015, 2016, I believe. It took about 8 months for it to come back to me. Now, when I register my trademark, the intentions of the dljwork is to create to have technological creations with that. So, more specifically, because when you're doing a trademark, and I did mine through LegalZoom, where you're actually doing that, you want to actually be specific, specify truly, concretely, what you're going to be using that name for. So with dljworks, it was creating web graphic designs, web development, websites, animations, programming, coding, all those things. It's everything related to technological creations for the internet. That's basically what dljworks is used for. Now, when you want to add something else that you're going to use your trademark, your brand for, you can actually, I think you have to pay extra to let the state, not the state, the country know, the United States government know that you're going to not only be doing these services or creating these products, but you're also going to be doing this as well. So, at any point, I want to say you want to go ahead, you want to register, you want to have possession of the United States, you want to register your logo, your brand with a trademark. That's what you want to actually do when you're trying to create something, you're trying to sell products and services. It's even better than having a website, because you could take that brand anywhere and you could create your product, whether you're creating a t-shirt, a software directly natively locally on your computer, wherever the case may be, and you want to just sell it somewhere else where the people are at, and you're not, because everybody, frankly, everybody's like has this attitude in terms of, what do I need a website for? I could just use my social media account, that's dangerous thinking still, because like I said, social media, remember, is borrowed space. Your account could get shut down anytime, algorithms change, etc., etc. Being a website, having a website, you can always have a home to rest your content, your information on, but things can happen to a website as well. Having an actual trademark, a brand, you pay a lot of money for that, and just about the same amount of money you will pay for maybe a year of hosting with the premium package. You could pay that much for getting an actual logo, your logo or your name, your brand trademarked as well. So, and I recommend doing that, and this isn't through any affiliate recommendations right now. I recommend doing that through something like LegalZoom, which is who I went through in the first place. Well, that's pretty much it for this talk at the moment. Subscribe, like, share the video, get excited, whatever you see fit. If there is anything in here that you have questions about, just let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. dljworks.com. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Before you leave, go to the description below, click that show more link to see and use all of the resources that I trust that makes DLJ works and can easily work for you.